Icon Park. So Ferris wheel's right there. And I wanted to try to find an ice cream store that would basically create this ice cream cone. So if you remember, it's strawberry ice cream, it is cotton candy, and then rainbow ice cream. And then we're going to put it on a sugar cone, and we can't forget the cherry on top. So come on with me and let's try to find this ice cream cone. Hey guys, go ahead and try the ice cream shop over here near the swings, maybe around the corner here, and see if they'll build this ice cream cone for us. I wanted to see if you could make this ice cream cone. It's basically rainbow ice cream, and then cotton candy. Do you have that one?
No, I have rainbow sprinkles.
Rainbow sprinkles. Okay, we might be able to work with that. And then strawberry ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, and then just like a little cherry on top. So
You want this one?
yeah, it'll be a sugar cone. Yeah. Is it the small? Do you have the regular sugar cones?
The small one?
Yeah, regular. They look like this. Yes. Thank you. And it's just one scoop of each. One strawberry, one cotton candy, and one rainbow. Can we do that? 3?
I don't have the rainbow.
Don't have the rainbow. Okay, just the cotton. Is there a cotton candy one?
No.
No? Okay. I'll take blueberry sprinkles with that. That works. Or blue? Do you have blue? No, we can't create it all. Okay, so we're having trouble creating this. Okay, I'll take it just like that with rainbow sprinkles then.
So 3 scoops with rainbow sprinkles?
Yeah. So as you see, we did have trouble making this. It's 3 scoops of strawberry with rainbow sprinkles and a cherry on top. But we tried, right, guys? So I hope you enjoyed the video. All right, bye.